Right, this is one of the nicest looking belts I've seen. Hopefully it's as cool as it looks online. I'm going to test that out today. Take a look. I got like a carbon fiber color on the belt buckle. And then here's that high quality belt itself. Loving that buckle. Take a look at that. Looking really nice. And we got the high quality belt. Alright, I'm going to pop the buckle on the end of this. So I'm going to lift this. And there's little teeth right there, see? So when I lift this, I can fit this in here. Like so. And then I will close it neatly. Like so. It's going to bite into that leather. Super tight. We're ready to put it on. Alright guys, and now I can go ahead and pull it through to my desired tightness. I'm going to keep my pants up really nice. Right here. So if we look, right down here there's a clasp. You just pull up and it loosens it. So this is my kind of belt right here. This is the only kind of belt I'll wear. And we're good to go. Thanks for checking out. See you next time. Bye-bye.